A beautiful day to head to the lakeshore, and that's exactly what we did with Air 13. You're looking at aerial footage of the channel there in South Haven. Look at those blue skies, blue waters. This is the best part of Michigan to be in this time of year. Hello everyone, Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out here on the weather deck. It is very warm, very humid today. Again, our warmest day of the year so far. We've done that 2 or 3 days in a row now. 13 weather ball tonight is green. No change to this warm, humid weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Forecast 87 today. It's made 86 so far. 8 days in a row now with your 3-degree guarantee. Tomorrow we may see an isolated shower or a thunderstorm pop up again in the afternoon. There might be a few lingering in the morning, but again, most areas will stay dry. That may not be the case later on tonight because we are tracking an area of some storms just off to our west. They'll become more isolated late tonight and on and off tomorrow. No all-day rains and certainly not a washout. Just very warm temperatures in the 80s. Very humid dew points in the 60s and 70s. That's for the next 10 days. And again, possible thunderstorms popping up from time to time, especially next Tuesday, Wednesday, and the following Saturday. We are tracking this immense line of showers and thunderstorms that have been moving steadily across Minnesota through Wisconsin now. It is between Madison and Milwaukee, just about ready to move into the Milwaukee area. This is out over central Lake Michigan. I think you can see Muskegon there, Grand Rapids and Holland. This line has had winds over 60 miles an hour, so the boaters are going to have to be beware of the changing weather conditions here next couple of hours. Severe thunderstorm watches off to our west. No indication whether or not this will be extended eastward, but I wouldn't be surprised if they do survive the trip over Lake Michigan. And again, with just about any thunderstorm, that's what the characteristics of thunderstorms are. Lots of lightning. In fact, there's been nearly 700 lightning strikes just in the last hour in this area alone. These showers and thunderstorms on our models show that they're going to be weakening over the next 4 to 5 hours or so, but we'll have to wait and see if the models are indeed correct, just to stay weather aware. Second line looks like it may be developing back to our west later on tonight. The bulk of that will head north of US 10, and the ones around La Crosse, Wisconsin are going to fall apart before noon tomorrow. But again, any one of these could produce some very gusty winds, some heavy downpours, and perhaps some hail as well. Those will be the main threats over the next 48 hours. Dew points, that's the big story. Mid and upper 60s to near 70 here tomorrow. We may see a little bit relaxing of the humidity over the weekend, but nonetheless high temperatures mid and occasionally upper 80s. Forecast though for tomorrow, look again for an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. No all-day rains though. 78 the cool spot in Ludington to as warm as 88 in Holland. That's because we're going to have a south wind coming in off the lake. As cool as 80 in Big Rapids, as warm as 86 there in Greenville. It's going to get kind of breezy up here because you're going to see those storms travel just to your north, and that's what's going to drive the winds up to around 15 to 20 miles an hour at times. And from Grand Rapids southward, anywhere from 87 here in Grand Rapids to perhaps as warm as 90 down in Kalamazoo. And again, the winds will be a little gustier here during the day tomorrow. 13 on your side forecast. Again, mid-80s across the board between about 85 and 87, maybe a little bit cooler toward the end of the long holiday weekend, which part starts on the 4th of July, which is on Thursday. And again, chances of rain next Tuesday and Wednesday now and the following Saturday.